He's nice girls. Am I lucky? Am I lucky or am I not lucky? You know, this is what you get when you come to Namibia, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're having so much fun here in Namibia. I invite everybody to come and book a ticket. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Cafeteria Meeting Point. Ewa, yeah. Thank you. Bye. Good morning, everybody, or everyone. We're still at the same place today. We're in Namibia. And we're just preparing to cook breakfast. Remember everything we're doing, all we have. We've been traveling for nearly 7 weeks now, out of 17. And all we have is a fry pan. Today we managed to get some very nice pork sausages. And this is what we're gonna have. Pork sausages with eggs, and maybe I will add on, once the sausages are cooked, let me see, maybe show them their tent there while I go and get a can of I managed to get some beans. So we'll have some beans also in tomato sauce. So let's cook the sausage, and we'll follow up with the beans, the eggs, and the beans. Because remember, we only have one fry pan. So if I cook the bean, it'll be too dirty for the eggs, or maybe the eggs cooked in the remaining of the baked beans in tomato sauce will be good. Maybe we'll do that. We'll do the beans and the eggs. What I'll do, for the people that it looks perfectly cooked. Okay. And like I said, we're gonna cook the beans. I don't know what kind of beans they are. They look good. They look very good. I've never even thought of doing that, but come and take a look at this. Get close, watch the gate there. This may be the new thing. We have to cover it. Today we're heading to the beach, so the next footage after this, you will be seeing the ocean. What's the ocean that we're going to be going to? Do you know?
Swakopmund.
Yeah, but what's the ocean? The Atlantic, the Pacific?
It's Atlantic.
The Atlantic. We're going to the Atlantic. Okay, let me get some. I'm going to put some plates here on my table. Nice table. Yes. A little bit of Brazilian coffee. So it took about another 5 minutes there. We got the sausage ready. I don't know how that's gonna be, but it looks okay. Look at this, that's perfect. We don't have a spoon or nothing, so. Okay. It looks scary, but it's gonna be good. Okay, this is it. We have the beans in tomato sauce, eggs with sausages. So thank you for being with us today. Again, if you don't like it, or if you like it, subscribe. It's gonna help us to keep on traveling. So subscribe, activate the bell, and share it with your friends. So see you guys on the beach this afternoon.